Hey guys, welcome back. If your SID says 3 dashes like mine, that means your outside temperature sensor is broken. So I'm going to be showing you how to replace that today. So normally to replace your outside temperature sensor, you don't have to take off the grill, but I took off mine because for some reason the previous owner zip tied the sensor to this what seems like a custom bracket for the intercooler. So I'm gonna take this off and put the new sensor on, and then it goes in this hole right here. That's the factory location for the temperature sensor. And as you can see, mine is missing a little, I guess, pillar, which is the sensor. It broke off and the new one has it. So all you have to do is take this out and replace it, and it should clip into that hole right there. And before I put it back on, I noticed that there's a pretty big gap right here, and I think that's gonna get corroded over time because it's right in the front of the car and it's just exposed wires there. So I'm gonna wrap it in electrical tape before I put it back on. Alright, so I wrapped it. So now I have to get it in through here, but the sensor is too big to fit between the intercooler and the crash bar. So what I tried to do was to take the sensor off, and now that it's smaller, it can pass through the small space, and then connect the sensor here and then try to go behind the bumper and put it in, but there's just not enough room. So I'm gonna have to take the front bumper off, which reminded me that my turn signal doesn't work because that. So a good friend of mine went to the junkyard and got me a bunch of these. So I have to work on my headlight anyway, so I'm gonna take off both headlights and the bumper, and I'll show you a trick that I learned also from a friend of how to easily take off the front bumper. So once you take the headlights off, you will see a bolt there and a bolt there. That is a 5/8 socket. So all you have to do is loosen those and your bumper should come right off. Alright, so I got the bumper off. Before I connect the sensor, I'm gonna do some wiring on the turn signals. But before you work on any wiring or anything electrical, make sure to disconnect the negative side of your battery. Alright, so this is my old turn signal socket. Those 3 connections are completely gone. And those 3, the 2 greens and the black, are the wires. So with the new one, I'm just gonna cut it right there and connect it back in. So I've actually never done this before, but it should be pretty easy. Alright, so there's the wires, The black goes to the black, obviously, but there's two green wires. One green wire has green and white, and the other one has green and black, and they all match, so hard to mess up. Alright, so the turn signals are working. Now the sensor is in the hole, so I just gotta put everything back together. And now I have temperature. So I hope this video helped you guys, but before I go, I wanted to make a quick announcement about the channel. As of a couple days ago, I've hit 100 subscribers, and that's probably not a big number for most people, but to me it means a lot. After all, I'm just a guy making videos in his garage, so 100 subscribers means a lot to me, so thank you so much. And as a sign of appreciation, I'm going to do a giveaway. I haven't decided exactly what I'm giving away yet, but I recently came across a few cool very small things for Saab people. The first one is this vegan sticker. You probably can't see it that well. I got it from a guy at a Saab meet. He gave it out. And then the next one is this Swedish rubber flag from Swedish Boost Mafia. But these are very small prices, but I'm still thinking about what to give away as the main prize. So I'll post some details on my Instagram page. I'll link my Instagram in the link below, so make sure you go and follow it so you don't miss the giveaway. So again, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on the next one.